Hello all, welcome back to Nikhil's Academy. Today we discuss about the topic of linear control system state model of multiple input and multiple output. In the multiple input, in the system giving the multiple inputs and giving multiple outputs in the side. The inputs is denoted by x of t and outputs are denoted by y of t. In this case, the u1 of t and u2 of t are the inputs and y1 of t and y2 of the 2t are outputs, and these are the state equation from these and output equation from this. In the case of using, when we are writing the state equations, we can use the x1 of t and x2 of t state variables. When we are writing output equations using y1 of t and y2 of t in the output variables. Now we can see the output variables, output equation, how to find. Equation of the first one is y1 of t from the writing of state variables and input variables. In this case, I am using a constants of c and d. C for the state variables and d for the input variables. Now we can write the state variable equation c11. This one is out, output variable, and this is the first state variable. First state variable we are using here, x1 of t plus c12 into x2 of t plus multiply with d. We can write this d d11 u1 of t plus d12 u2 of t. In this case, we can write the second equation of output y2 of t equal to c2 of 1 c21 x1 of t plus c22 x2 of t plus d21 u1 of t plus d22 u2 of t. From these two equations we can write the matrix form. The output is y1 of t, y2 of t. In this the matrix is x1 no c11 c12 c21 c22. The multiply with x terms, x1 of t, x2 of t plus d11 d12 d21 d22 into the input variables are u1 of t into u2 of t. This y of t I can represent y of t. These I consider whole c into x of t plus this whole matrix I can consider as d. These input variables u of t. This is the output equation of the state model. Now we can find the state equation from the above diagram. Now first state variable differentiation is nothing but the one more output differentiation is nothing but the state equation d x1 of t by dt. It can be denoted of first derivation of the x1 of t is x dash or dot of x1 of t equal to, in the state equation I am considering the constants of a and b. The a11, the first state variable and position and state variable. The first one is indicated by input variable, and the this one is first state variable into x1 of t plus a12 x2 of t plus b11 u of t, input variables u1 of t plus b12 u2 of t. Same like that, we can write the second state variable equation dx2 t by dt equal to x2 dot of t equal to a21. It can be represented as second input variable, and this is the state function a21 x1 of t plus a22 x2 of t plus b11 b21 u1 of t plus b22 u2 of t. This state function write in the matrix form x1 dot of t x2 dot of t equal to the matrices of a11 a12 a21 a22 into x1 of t x2 of t plus b11 b12 b21 b22 into the input variables of u1t and u2t. I can consider this equation of x dot of t equal to a into x plus b into x, a into x of t, b into u of t. This is the equation for the state equation of the multiple input and multiple output. I hope you all understand this video to finding the multiple input and multiple output of the state equation and the output equation. We can solve the problem in next video. I hope you all understand. Thank you all. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.